hit him with the bell. Sitting by the pool, meditating in Chanel.
Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, night, whatever time you're watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another sit-down video. As you can see naman, sa aura ko na wala pa akong makeup because today's video is a transformation video and I will be doing a Bella Hadid transformation. Actually, this is my first time doing a full transformation as in hair, makeup, and outfit na gagayahin ko yung isang celebrity and I'm looking forward to do this look already. So, without further ado, let's start this video. Unahin ko na muna ayusin yung hair ko para tuloy-tuloy lang and hindi na ako mabother sa hair ko while doing my makeup. So, first is yung hair. Ang hair na peg ko kay Bella Hadid is yung mga normal na updo na hairstyle. Yung mga hairstyle na off-duty model look. So, yun yung peg ko. Very simple lang. Nagawa ko na rin naman tong hairstyle before. Basta, i-bun lang siya. Tapos may hati sa gitna. I'm done doing my hair and ganun lang siya kasimple. Normal bun lang yung ginawa ko and then madami lang hairspray para maging sleek talaga tignan. And gumamit ako ng clear mascara just to hold my baby hair. So let's proceed now with the makeup. So papakita ko guys sa inyo yung peg ko for the makeup. Very simple lang din yung peg ko. Ang gusto kong gawin is yung very lifted na makeup pero at the same time natural and glowy yung kind of look niya. So, ito yung nakita ko sa internet na nagustuhan ko. Ito yung peg ko for this look. Ayan siya. Very natural looking lang yung brows niya. And then, bumawi lang siya sa blush niya and yung lipstick niya. Yun yung nakikita ko. And then, for the eyes, para lang siyang brown eyeshadow. And then, overall, nakikita ko very lifted lahat. And then, very glowy rin. So, babawi tayo sa highlighter. So, starting off with my primer, I'm using the No Shine Mattifier as usual pa din. Na-prime na natin yung face ko. Then, I'll go with something more light. Hindi ako magfa-foundation. So, ang bala kong gamitin is a sunscreen at the same time parang BB cream or CC cream. And yung gagamitin ko is itong Nivea Sun. And super nice siya. Ito, Nivea Sun UV Face BB cream, SPF 50, very high UVA and UVB. Nung nagamit ko siya, para siyang color adapting cream. Kaya gustong gusto ko siya. And I'll be applying it using my fingers but then just make sure that your fingers are clean. Kaya gustong gusto ko tong product na to kasi alam niyo ba yung feeling na pag nagsa-sunscreen kayo, ang bilis niya mag-set, tapos hindi niyo na mablend ng maayos, parang nagkakaroon ng patchiness sa skin niyo, and that's what I hate about sunscreen, and also yung mga white cast. But with this one, I'm not even kidding, madali siyang i-blend, and nagsiset siya into like a powder matte. Hindi naman super powdery matte, kaya gustong gusto ko siya. Now, let's proceed with my concealer, and then the concealer that I will be using is the Age Rewind by Maybelline. Before setting our face, syempre, let's proceed with the cream product. May bago akong product na binili. This is the Detail Velvet Flush Multi-Use Mousse, Lids, Eyes, and Lips in the shade Bow. Bagong bili ko pa lang siya. As you can see, I haven't hit the pan. I've just swatched it once. And super nice daw na ito. Marami ako nakikitang good reviews about this product. Kaya I'm looking forward na maging okay din yung lapat niya sa skin. Fingers yung gagamitin ko. Make sure it's clean. Mas gusto ko kasi talaga fingers yung ginagamit ko. Mas feeling ko, nako-control ko yung paglagay ng product sa face. Okay, napakapal yung lagay ko. Parang mas makapal yung dito sa side na to. But don't worry, masaset din naman natin yan ng powder. So, matatone down yung pigment niya. The cream contour that I will be using is the same. Hindi pa ako bibili ng bagong cream contour. I'm back! Bakit I'm back? Kasi biglang tumawag si kuya kaya na-cut yung kanina. Dahil meron pa akong Shopee delivery. Stay tuned lang kayo dahil may Shopee hauls ulit ako mga gagawin and very, very exciting. So, nasa na ba ako? Ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-cream contour. So, now, Magsiset na tayo ng face. The powder that I will be using para pang malakasan is the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. As you can see naman, na-tone down na nung powder, yung pinaka-blush natin. Pero nandyan pa rin siya, so baka onti na lang yung blush na yun ilagay ko. Now, let's proceed naman with our kilay. And for my eyebrows, using the Brow Biz Brand, we'll be doing a natural brows lang naman, just like Bella Hadid. Ngayon ko lang napansin, wait lang, naka-t-shirt pa ako na orange. Kasi kumuha ko sa labas ng Shopee. Kasi sa gate pa kinukuha yun, hindi pwede sa tapat ng bahay niyo pumunta kasi nasa loob ako ng subdivision. So dapat sa gate nyo lang ng subdivision kukunin. So anyways, ayan na. Pansin ko nga rin bakit ako biglang naka-orange. Nagamit ako ng brow soap. And wait lang, hindi ko rin ako makaget over na hindi ko napansin na naka-t-shirt ako. Now, let's proceed with filling in my brows. Pomade that you have in there. Ako, ang gagamitin ko is yung AOA kasi talaga yung OG ko and yung favorite na ginagamit ko sa brows ko, even for waterproof makeup, for whatsoever occasion. Yun ang favorite kong gamitin. Aside sa it's affordable na hindi masakit sa budget pag naubos, maganda rin naman yung quality niya talaga. Okay. So, I'm using the Wonder Brow by AOA and then I'm just gonna fill my brows using a angled brush. So, ayan, I'm done doing my eyebrows and hindi na ako naglagay ng clear mascara. For our contour, I have a new product na papakita sa inyo. Marami tong good reviews and to be honest, hindi ko pa siya natatry. It's my first time. And this is the TEVIANT Sculpt to Bronze. It's by Jelly Eugenio in the shade Morocco. Very luxurious yung feels niya. This one has a shimmer into bronze. My whole face is itong nasa taas. I don't know, wala naman siyang name. Basta Morocco tong palette na to. It looks lighter, no? But I'm hoping na pag in-apply ko siya sa face ko, oops, medyo powdery. I'm hoping na pag in-apply ko siya sa face ko, hindi na ganun ka-light. Ooh, maganda siya. I'm doing my contour here kasi gusto ko medyo mas lifted yung look natin. Supposedly, dapat dito. Pero itataas ko lang yung contour. Using this shimmer shade here. Powdery siya. But it's okay. Blush naman. So, I will be using this Cheek to Cheek Duo Blush Plus Highlighter by Squad Cosmetics in the shade Dyad. So, onti lang naman because as you can see naman, putok na putok pa rin yung cheeks ko because of the cream blush. Now, let's proceed with the highlighter and the highlighter that I trust so much and I love so much. Sobrang OA, pero ito talaga eh. Moon Beauty Highlighter in the shade Moonlight. And super nice na ito, guys. I'm not even kidding. Now, to set our highlighter, I'll be using the Master Chrome by Maybelline. Now, for my lipstick, the perfect mauve pink shade na similar dito sa picture ni Bella Hadid. I'll be using the Sunny's lip tip in the shade Fembot. Parang ito yung pinaka-similar shade. This Vice Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Voulez-Vous. Hi guys, I just want to say that TEVIANT's best-selling and award-winning liner and mascara are now back in stock. And this is actually my first time trying this product. So far, so good. I am loving it. It looks so natural and lightweight. You guys, this product is too good to be true. I am not even kidding. This Virago liquid eyeliner is quick drying eyeliner pen as well as ultra precise and smooth application. I love that it is smudge proof and it claims that it is waterproof up to 20 hours. I'll definitely use this before putting on my favorite falsies. I'll be setting my face with the Fresh Formula Glow Boost. So this is my final look. For our outfit, this will really elevate the whole transformation. I thought of doing this look. Ganyan yung top na gagayahin natin and I have that already. It's a backless na top. Magma-mom jeans ako and then just layer it with gold chains. And itong top na to meron ako. So we did the hair already. So I'll be flashing it on the screen naman para mas makita nyo ng mas maayos. So mag-change lang ako.
Mama always said that my word is like a spell. When I see a hater, bitch, I always wish him well.
So this is my whole look. This is my hair. So simple, off-duty model look. And this is my top. Very similar siya dun sa pinakita. I layered it with gold accessories right here and as well as hoop earrings na gold. And then layered it off with more gold accessories, my watch. And just a mom jeans na simple lang. So this is my whole look and I really like it. I think so far na-achieve naman natin yung transformation. Naka-portrait siya guys para mas makita nyo ng maayos. Kasi kung ila-landscape nyo, then this area lang yung makikita nyo sa akin. So pinortrait ko na lang. Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo itong transformation na to because I really did. So far, I think naging successful naman yung pag-transform natin into Bella Hadid. I don't really look like her, but I did her hair and makeup as well as her outfit. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!